Welcome. Today we explore a clever engineering strategy used in electric vehicles and heavy machinery, combining batteries with supercapacitors into a hybrid energy storage system, or HESS. These two technologies complement each other perfectly. By the end of this video, you will understand why engineers use both instead of relying on a larger battery alone. If an electric bus needs more power, why not just fit a larger battery? It's not about total energy. It's about the rate of energy delivery, or speed. Supercapacitors charge and discharge thousands of times faster than batteries, using pure electrostatics. The Regenerative chart clearly shows that supercapacitors dominate in power density, while batteries dominate in energy density. HESS assigns tasks based on the strengths of each component. When braking, the supercapacitor instantly absorbs the energy burst. When cruising, the battery provides slow, steady power. When accelerating, both work together for maximum output. Because the supercapacitor handles high-frequency spikes, the battery only manages smooth power changes. This can extend battery cycle life by up to 30%, increasing it from 2,000 cycles to 2,600. HESS is ideal for applications involving frequent stopping and starting, like electric city buses and rail systems. It is also used in port cranes and fast-charging stations to buffer peak demand spikes. The key takeaway is that HESS combines the high energy storage of batteries with the high power delivery of supercapacitors, resulting in systems that are more efficient and longer lasting.